What is it? Another.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Uvalde County, west central Bandera County, southeastern Real County, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Grr.
At 7:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lakey, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lakey, Congan, Garner State Park, Utopia, Rio Frio, Tuffin Raven Wells. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.